Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock, an HQ lock. This is by AJ, and this is entitled number 20, Baptism by Fire. And how do we fight fire? We fight fire with fire! Alright, enough of that. Let's go ahead and dig in and see what we can do. Like my shotgun, I know. I don't know if y'all like a shotgun, but I certainly do. A little movement there off of 4. I don't know if we got some movement off there. Ooh, big movement there. Oh, and that was a big downfall there on that guy. See, we go all the way back and nothing happens. Huh. We got some movement there and some bigger movement there. Some off of 1, but we lost our false set. Just trying to see which one talks to us here. All right. Seeing which one talks to us here. Oh yeah. Too much there. There's lots of tension there, but he ain't doing shit. Alright, who's talking to us? Who's talking to us? Who's talking to us now? Who is that one that's talking to us? I'm using a new app to record this, and it well, it said the power was low, so it shit the bed and turned off after I picked it and had it halfway gutted. So it was a shit gutting, so you know, I figured I'd do it again. And there we go. Finally. Woo! Alright, let's get that shotgun out of there. Nice, man. Nice little lock there, AJ. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's bring this in and just throw her down, y'all. There's one. There's two. And take that back off. And we are set to roll. Alright, and let's see what we got. Looks like we have a really nice like bomb type pin with serrations all over it. Serrations, 2 serrations on that guy, a couple serrations on that. Looks like a serration on that guy. And this is a T-pin. Nice. And up on the core here, it looks like we have threading on 2, 3, and 4. And that's about it. So, nice. Nice on that one. And let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Alright, beautiful serrated pin here. A spool, homemade spool. Oh! Oh shit. That was a really nice serrated pin. Just dropped. This is a serrated spool. It looks like, oh, another T-pin. Looks like all the springs are the same in there. It looks like, doesn't look like anything's been done to the Bible there. Let me see if I can find this pin real quick. Give me just a moment, y'all. And there we go. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Let's see, zoom. Where's my zoom? Trying to find my zoom here. There we go. Okay, closer. And closer still. Alright, so it looks like we have a bomb type pin here. Let me just show you. There's that guy. It looks beautiful. Then we have a double serrated up on top. Double serrated here on the bottom, as you can see there. Another double serrated. This is a spool. We have a couple serrations in this guy up here. Serration, spool, T-pin, and another like T-pin-esque type pin there. So this again comes to us from AJ Clark. This is entitled Baptism by Fire. And how did we fight fire? We fought fire with fire! Alright, y'all. Here is that for you. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.